If the next generation of the R1 was equipped with a V4 engine, would you be interested? This question has been a subject of discussion among sports bike enthusiasts, especially Yamaha fans. After all, the Yamaha Yzf-R1 has been an iconic supersports bike with an inline four-cylinder engine configuration since it was first launched. However, with the changes in regulations and the direction of technological development in the racing world, the issue of shifting to a four-cylinder engine has come to the fore. There are good reasons for this. V4s are known to be more compact, offer better weight distribution, and have higher performance potential at higher RPMs. The 2025 Yamaha R1 reportedly no longer meets road homologation standards in the European market as it does not meet the €5+ emission standards. This is an important signal that Yamaha needs to take strategic steps to maintain its presence in the supersport segment. Interestingly, Yamaha is also developing a new V4 engine for the 2027 MotoGP campaign. As a result, many speculate that this racing engine technology could be adapted for mass-produced models like the R1. Imagine a Yamaha R1 with a V4 engine that offers more concentrated power, smoother torque, and MotoGP-style performance on the road or track. That's an exciting prospect, isn't it? This shift could be Yamaha's answer to staying competitive with manufacturers like Ducati and Aprilia, who have adopted the V4 configuration for their road products. If this happens, the superbike world will enter a new era full of competition and innovation. And now, the Yamaha R1 V4 concept design has surfaced. The Yamaha R1 V4 comes with a more aggressive and futuristic look. The combination of Yamaha Racing's signature red and white colors with sharp design lines gives an aerodynamic and race-ready impression. The front fairing is slimmer with larger intakes for optimal cooling, while the R is designed to be more compact and sporty. Unfortunately, Yamaha has yet to provide official confirmation of the R1 V4's presence. The images circulating are only visual representations, but they are enough to spark the imagination of fans about what the Yamaha R1 would look like if it really evolved with a V4 engine.